You haven't done that yet?
No.
Aren't you eating alive?
Not yet, but I'm going to be if I don't hurry up. Hi, I'm Mike Bogden.
And Craig Neville.
This is the Island Park Weekly Weather Report for
Wednesday, June 26th, 2022, and the 6 days thereafter.
That's right. We're coming to you from the bank of Henry's Fork.
Of the Snake River,
Yeah,
yes.
we are.
The North Fork.
Yes, and it's dusk. And
It is, and the mosquitoes are out. That's why
mosquitoes
he's quickly putting his stuff on.
Yeah, I'm putting some mosquito repellent on me real quick before I get eaten alive by the bugs.
Yep.
Because they are everywhere.
They are, except for on me currently.
Yeah, because he already got the mosquito repellent
Yes,
on him. But
I did that first.
me not so much, so. Okay, now I feel better. All right, so let's talk about the weather, Craig.
All right, so Wednesday we're going to start out fairly nice.
Fairly nice, very nice.
Yep. So mid to high mid 70s.
Mid 70s.
Mid 70s for the high. Overnight low will be in the
50s.
low 50s.
Low 50s, yep.
And then Wednesday night, there's a slight chance of some thunderstorm and rainstorm activity continuing through Thursday.
Yep.
So off and on.
Yep, but we have
More
a
off.
cooling trend coming.
We do.
We have a storm that's going above us. It's going to be closer to Canada than us.
Yeah.
And but we're going to catch a little residual tail action from this thing. So we're going to catch some cooler weather and perhaps some thunderstorms over the next few days.
Yep. So I do expect a bit of wind on Thursday.
Yeah, well, as this thing moves through, we could get intermittent wind all the time anyway, because it's going to be, it's a fast-moving storm. It's like I said, it's going above us, kind of following the Canadian border, but it's dropping down into Montana. But we're just going to get the periphery of it, so not very much water, but we are going to get some wind, and get some clouds and cooler temperatures.
Yes, yeah. So Thursday will just be in the low 70s, and then Friday will be the coolest, pretty much of the week, except for Monday. But Friday will be high 60s, maybe mid 60s.
Yeah, so it'll be in the 60s. We would go from the mid to high 80s down to 60s.
Yep.
So probably mid to high 60s, but it's still going to be 60s.
Yep.
Anyway, and then, but then after that, it's going to start warming back up again slowly.
Yeah. Friday and Saturday, I do expect to be more on the sunshiny side.
Yep. So
and into Sunday, and then Sunday evening, I think it's going to change. We're going to go back to some more moisture.
Yeah.
I think more of a chance of moisture for Monday than we do for Thursday.
Yeah. Well, like I said, it just depends on how far this thing drops down. So we just don't know exactly what. I mean, the projections one way show it. It's going to miss it. The water's going to miss us. The other one says it's going to hit a little bit. So we don't know. But it's going to.
We'll see.
But if you're up in the mountains, plan on thunder bumpers. So you just kind of plan on it.
Yes.
Now, daytime temperatures are going to, like I said, are going to change, and they're going to end up being lower, and then it'll be going back up to the mid to high 70s.
Yeah, Saturday it's going to bump back up into the low to mid 70s, and then Sunday we'll bump it back up to the low 70s.
You mean high 70s?
High 70s, low 80s again.
Yeah. So
and then Monday we'll drop it back down into the low 70s, high 60s.
Yeah,
yes.
probably 70s. But anyway, nighttime temperatures are going to also be drop down a little bit with the cooling weather.
Yep. So Thursday night, the coldest, it's going to be high 30s, low 40s, and then from there we'll bump it back up and kind of keep it in the low to mid 40 range.
Yeah, and then like I said, we may even kiss a 50 here, but probably it's going to be
just for Wednesday night, I think.
Yeah. Anyway, but we're going to be right in there. So it's going to be mild at night, one cool night, and but it's going to be a little more pleasant.
Yes.
Because it won't be so hot.
Right.
So that's going to be nice. So other than just maybe some wind blowing through, it should be really, really nice.
Yeah.
The mosquitoes are alive and well.
Yes, they are. I'm watching them buzz around, and they're not really bothering me. They're kind of right behind us.
Yeah, that's right. That's because
and in front of us.
That's because that fine Ben's
that
mosquito
fine Ben's mosquito
which you can find at where?
Well, I saw it at San Patchco, but it was the spray, not the towelette.
But the spray.
I don't know if the spray is going to be as good.
No, the spray is good. It's with little kids or whatever. It's just easier to not get in their eyes if you're wiping with a towelette. But talk to him because.
So and actually, I just saw an empty container there, so I might not have any more.
Oh well, they're gonna order.
But since I saw the empty container, I'll talk to my order people and see if we can get it back.
There we go. Anyway, but so just be aware of the skeeters if you're gonna be aware near water, because that's definitely happening.
Yes. Yeah, they're back.
Other than that, the animals are all being out and doing their thing. The park is really busy, so go early. if you're going to go into the park, because that's going to be a little, going to be a little crowded.
Yeah, yeah.
And if you don't
the
want,
roads are busy.
the roads are busy, so just don't be in a hurry to get onto the highway from a side street, because if you try to beat a car, you could miss one coming or going, and end up with an accident.
Yes,
it's not
yes.
worth an extra 2 minutes to do that. So be aware of that. But anyway, with that, just enjoy yourself, have a good time, be patient with each other.
Yes, patience and
Yeah,
kindness.
and then just enjoy the beauty of Island Park, because it's really cool. The road to Sawtell is open, by the way.
Oh, before July 1st?
Yeah, because I went and checked it.
Oh,
It's
no.
yeah, I took
Is it June 1st, maybe?
Yeah, probably.
Okay.
Anyway, but it's open. There's still snow up on
Sorry,
time,
Mike.
but go up on Sawtell, check it out.
Maybe we'll go up there next week.
Yeah, and no, next we're going to be doing another late one,
Oh.
because I'll be gone
Oh, yeah, that's right. Well, we'll still see. Maybe we'll still have enough daylight. It'll still be...
at 9 o'clock at 8:30 at night.
Yeah, look, it's after 9 right now.
I don't want to be up there at 8:30 at night.
You'll be higher, more sunlight.
Okay. Anyway, the thing is that
I don't know.
just like I said, enjoy yourself, have a good time, go check stuff out. Bears are real active right now, so be aware of those as well.
They're around.
So other than that, just wanted to wish
Come up and enjoy it with us.
Yeah, come up and enjoy it. Get on the water, have some fun.
Yeah.
Go for a float.
Yeah.
You
I
know-
imagine with the warmer days, it's really quite nice.
Yeah, it is. I mean, it's really beautiful. Right? The fish are all rising right now. It's about 9:25, and the fish are all rising.
Yep.
It's just getting dusk, so it's beautiful out here.
Yes.
So, anyway, with that, is there anything else you wanted to say?
Nope.
Nothing.
No.
So you don't want to talk about the diesel spill over at the spills over at the store?
You mean the multiple diesel spills?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm considering doing a little video to show people how to put fuel in their tank,
So
which I didn't think was that
Yeah, there's
difficult.
been a
but-
bunch of gas and diesel spills over at the gas station over at Chevron.
One little pointer is make sure the diesel nozzle is all the way
Yeah,
in.
well, or
It's
the gas
air
nozzle, too.
pressure that shuts off the
Yeah,
valve.
so if you're not sticking it all the way in, then it's not going to shut it off, and then you're going to end up with 2 or 3 gallons that you're paying for that's on the ground.
Right.
Yeah, and we'll call
Yeah.
hazmat and turn you in, and then you'll be in trouble.
Right.
So, anyway, but so just be aware that also you might want to watch your gas when it's being pumped rather than just just walk
And
off and leave it.
theoretically, that is everybody's responsibility.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
it doesn't matter. You're supposed to be out there attending the nozzle so that if it does start spraying out, you can catch it right away and only spill a little bit rather than gallons.
Well, not to mention the fact that there always could be some buster that decides, oh, well, this is active, and he'll pull up next to your car and just stick it into his car. And all of a sudden you'll
I
have...
never thought about that.
Yeah, and then all of a sudden you'll have twice as much gas missing as you thought. So
Did you used to be a police officer in your past life?
I did.
Yeah.
Anyway, so use a little common sense when whatever you're doing. Be safe and be courteous. Anyway, with that, from Island Park, this is Mike Bogden.
And Craig Neville.
Wishing you to be safe, be careful. Above all, remember, we love you guys. See you. Bye.
Bye-bye.